up guys, UnboxSingh here, back with another video, and we've got something special today. We have the special edition product red iPhone 8. This is a 64 gig unit, and this is not an Indian unit. So let's unbox this up and let's see the iPhone red 8. Yeah, I love the sound. Okay, that's again designed by Apple in California. Okay, we've got the red colors one. So this is just the product red. Welcome to iPhone. SIM injector tool. Again, Apple stickers and manuals. So this is the red iPhone 8. Wow. Okay, it looks different because the 8 has a glass back. Looks different than the 7 red one or the 7 Plus. Okay, let's keep this aside and let's see what's in the box. We have ordinary power brick from Apple. So since it's 2-pin, it's not an Indian unit, so you got to use the shoe for the Indian plug, and AirPods and the lightning cable. That's it. So let's check the phone. Yeah, it looks definitely nice. See the back. Wow, this is pretty. So the iPhone 8 with a 4.7 LCD display with 1334 by 750 of pixels, 326 pixels per inch with a contrast ratio of 40:1. So it has a true tone display like the iPhone 10 and 3D touch obviously, and it's also powered by the A11 Bionic chip just like in the iPhone 10, and the camera is 12 megapixels with 1.8 aperture, and also records 4K video recording at 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. So the front facing camera is 7 megapixels with aperture of f2.2, and that's it. I guess the product red looks really nice. I mean, really good. I actually love the color. Okay, it has written product iPhone. Okay, that's it. That's for now. That's the unboxing, and we'll see you soon. See you on my next video. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you guys.